I'm going to show you guys how to make interest off of a top cryptocurrency while it's appreciating in value in under 3 minutes. Let's get started. So the coin I'm going to use today to show you guys this example is Algorand. If you're not familiar with Algorand, Algorand was created by MIT professor and Turing Award winner Silvio Macaulay. If you're unfamiliar with Algorand and you want to read more about it, I'll put a link down in the description. Or maybe if I come around to making a video about it, I'll put it up top. Alright, to do this, it's actually really easy. All you got to do is create a Coinbase account, which is a US company based out of San Francisco that is the largest crypto exchange in the United States. To create an account is free. To fund the account, all you got to do is link your bank account, which does take a few days. But once it's linked up, I believe it took me about 3 days, you can go ahead and fund from there. So from the home page, I went over here and I selected on prices, and that brought me right here. And I'm just going to find Algorand. It happens to be right here on the front. I click trade, and as you can see, it's already linked up to my bank account. I just put the amount of money I want to do, and it'll give me the reciprocal in the price of Algorand. So let's say I did 1,000. That would be, if I want to preview that, that'd be 1,365 Algorands. Jumping over to the Algorand price chart, I'm going to show you guys how this interest works. So going down here, you see APY. So this is the estimated annual returns rate. This is currently 6%, but that total 6% is paid out in fractions daily. So it'll total 6% at the end of the year. Some coins will pay every week, even every month. But what's nice about Algorand is they'll pay you that fraction daily. So let me show you what that looks like. So as you can see, every day I'm making a little more and more Algorand, because as I get more Algorand, that percentage is being made on top of that percentage, basically compounding interest. If you're holding these coins, you're making more and more coin as time goes on. It's really just that simple, you guys. I really hope that this is helpful for you guys. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Have a good day, guys.